Why can't all airlines do this? Seattle. This is my first time in Seattle, and when we were flying in, there was 2 planes. We were coming in at the same time, and then there was a helicopter beneath us. It was pretty crazy. So I'm in Seattle till 7 tonight, and it's 3 o'clock right now, so I gotta get some dinner, but Seattle is popping.
Fairbanks to local time is approximately 10:10. Please note that 1 hour time change. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and leave all your carrying items stowed until we reach the gate.
So you know how some of the airlines, they'll have Wi-Fi on the plane that you can buy, like a package or whatever? Well, my dream is that there's just free Wi-Fi just to do text and emails and stuff like that, real basic stuff that you don't have to pay for. I don't know why they all charge, it's like $10 an hour, it's crazy expensive. I just want a world where the Wi-Fi on the airline is free. Why do all airlines have to charge? Okay, so just got all my stuff set up. My grandma has set up the everything, so all I have to do is get on this bus and go see what she's doing. I cannot believe how damn bright it is at 10 at night. Yeah! Gran and I head out to Denali National Park and take in all the beautiful scenery and check out some of the dog sleds. So sit back and enjoy. Today's just going to be videos and stuff of us exploring Denali National Park. This is Gran right here. Sled dogs, and I don't know if you can tell, but right here's one, and there's like 30 sled dogs, but no snow. It's just all nasty gravel. This is the coolest one. His name's Disco. Disco's sleepy though. It's dinner time. Alright everybody, so that's all I have for you today. It was an amazing day in Denali National Park. Gran and I had a wonderful time. The glaciers were out, the sun was out. It was a little bit cold, but we got to see the dogs and everything as you saw. So I hope you enjoyed that a lot. We had a lot of fun. We'll catch you on the next time.